This weekend, I road tripped to Reno, Nevada for the National Pole Vaulting Summit. It was a beautiful drive. Man, what a fantastic event. Let's see how I did my front brakes. Starting by taking off the tire, of course.
Each of these boots has a little plastic plug at the end of it that has to come out. They can be pretty tricky, but take a pair of pliers, disconnect them, and then inside is a hex head that you have to remove.
I went at it with a number 7 hex head and a socket. What is the Pole Vaulting Summit? Well, every year, thousands of pole vaulters gather in Reno, Nevada to celebrate their crazy sport.
Finish pushing them out using a flat head.
Having been a pole vaulter in high school and college, I enjoy vaulting still as a hobby and a pastime. I also enjoy road tripping, so it was the perfect opportunity for me to get my car nice and ready for a long drive. Just now you saw me open the bleeder port, and that's to get the piston back into place. I don't have a tool to do it, so I open the bleeder port and then close it once the piston's in the back. Later on, I'll do a quick gravity bleed, that way no air is left in the system.
Here's the old pad, here's the new pad. You can see that the wear indicator is completely gone on this one, so it's time to go.
Hitting it with some brake clean and a little brake grease on sliding surfaces, as well as the wheel bearing, keeps everything nice and fresh. I then cleaned off my hands a little bit before putting all the pads back on. You don't want to get any grease onto your pads. Once everything was in, I pushed the caliper back into place, greased up the sliding pins, slid them back into place, and torqued everything down to its proper torque spec. Right here, this is where I do the gravity bleed, really quick. I've always promised to show my mistakes. The next video that I post is going to be one giant mistake though. It'll be an exciting video, and I'll follow it up with my adventures from Reno. I hope to see you there. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Weren't you sweet? Go get your buttons.